We are putting in some raised beds. I ordered this wood last year. I put creosote on it and then stored it out in the garden over the winter. Assembled it last weekend, and now I'm putting in the soil. You can see the manure at the back, so I'm adding in about 4 wheelbarrows of cow manure. I'm putting in 2 sacks of this universal compost, and then I'll add in a couple of trowelfuls of organic compost. I got this the construction dimensions off another guy on YouTube, and he explained it very simply. The soil here is really poor. It's about grade 6 out of 6, which is the worst. So when we first moved to the house, the vegetables did pretty well for the first 4 or 5 years, but then after that the production really just dropped off into the poor soil quality. So we left the garden empty last year, the vegetable garden, so it's a bit overgrown. I trimmed it, but the weeds are coming back. So I'll be putting in this weekend, I'll be putting in this one, and then I've got 2 more, so we'll have 6 this year, and if it goes well then we'll add 6 more next year, because we've got plenty of room here. So you can see these are all the fruit trees. The blossom is fantastic, so hopefully there's no bad frost in May. We should get a good fruit crop. We sprayed these fruit trees fairly recently, and normally we don't do it, we just don't have the time, but this year we've done it, so we should get particularly a good plum crop. Okay, so I'm just finishing off adding in the bags of compost, and I'll update you when we've got some more news. Bye.